Nothing new, just another day, another drama. Guess who's the problem? It's me again. But what changed this time is my perspective, the way I perceive negative comments, thoughts, and pressure. I have made peace with the fact that no matter what you do, it will always be there like a shadow. But the interesting thing is, this shadow is not ours. It's made by the people around us to make us do the way they want us to do what's right according to them. The only thing is to stop this is by shining through within so that the shadow of darkness is not visible anymore. It's still there, but so far to touch you. One day, I was sitting looking at my old pictures and caught myself whispering what a girl I was. Bold, confident, fearless. When did I started listening to people's noise? When did it started affecting me? And when did I lost myself that I have to talk about me in the past, not present? What went wrong? Though I could say I don't care and it doesn't bother me, the truth was it does. And I was not acknowledging it. I used to wonder why everyone has something negative to say about me when I'm doing the things which are right, which subconsciously developed a thought of being liked by everyone. I slowly became quieter, my confidence shattered, and everything fell apart when I was trying to do things according to the what I was said. But turns out, whatever I tried, it never pleased anyone, and that's when I realized I was trying to change something which is obvious. I was filling the broken glass which has so many cracks and wonder why it's not fading. And then I was stuck in the middle where I tried doing the things the way I wanted, but the criticism was too much to survive. And going back wasn't the option either. So the common thing in both the situation was that people's chattering would always be there. When you truly understand this, you'll start detaching your emotions from unnecessary chaos. You'll know that your worth will not decrease if your ex-friends are talking shit about you. It just shows their personality, that how below they can go. Not everyone is meant to understand you but you. So now, when I got negative comment, I don't suppress. Instead, I sit and write about it and tell my diary, it's not my fault. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm exactly who I'm meant to be. When I acknowledge this, it teaches me something different every time. When I'm told that my ambition is too high, it doesn't hurt me but fuels the fire inside me to work even harder, which my past self wouldn't have experienced because she was hoping support and motivation from her surrounding. But she knew that it's only her who has to pull herself when she fell, who has to fight for herself, who has to voice her opinion because everyone else is just an illusion. I'm unapologetically myself, not giving a damn to their shitty backbites. It's my life and I'm the one to decide everything. I will not let anyone ever make me feel bad about myself. I make them feel miserable without even trying because I'm doing what I love, which they thought I wouldn't. You know you're good when your emotions are controlled by you and not the shadow of darkness by negative people.